In this video, I want to show how to connect the PayPal accounts and map them correctly so that way when you categorize things, they don't get booked twice or not booked the correct way. So my suggestion with PayPal is that you use the QuickBooks integrations, and these are like the app store that you can connect to QuickBooks, because if you use the banking, it does not always pull through the transactions and it'll skip some, and then you'll be dealing with a mess and you'll be having to figure out which ones that you need to recognize in the bank, which ones you don't, but that's neither here nor there. So we're going to go to the integrations because this is already connected for this client. Now, when you do this, the first thing you want to do is make sure that it's mapped correctly. This is the PayPal account. Basically, you want to create in your chart of accounts a PayPal clearing account or bank account that's going to recognize the transactions and hold the PayPal stuff. And then this is the main deposit account that this client uses for their account when they cash out of PayPal. This, you can also go and do a bunch of other customizations, but we're not going to get into that right now. So here's an example to where when you use PayPal, these, you want to recognize the expense in PayPal, but it's also pulling from the bank account. So there's technically 3 transactions for the one expense. So in this case, the client used, you have to make sure you see which account it comes from. So this one's going to be, I know which one it is. So we're going to go here. And the transfer isn't going to come from the main account. So you got to watch these. And then it's going to come from here. And we're going to confirm. And then the main transactions. This is where we want to recognize it in the PayPal register. So this is going to be advertising and marketing, and confirm. And then if you go back, you'll notice that this one has a match. So all 3 of those are now one transaction. You no longer have to worry about it. As for coming in, so this is a cash out from a PayPal payment that this client got. So this, we're going to, it goes to this bank account. So you always want to do it down here in PayPal first. So that way you can match it when you go back up into the bank feed. So this, we're going to say confirm. And once again, you go back here, and this is the account that it was transferred to. Sometimes QuickBooks doesn't always give you the match right away. So you have to search for the match, which is right here. So we're going to match that and match. Now, everything balances where it should. You can leave comments if you have any questions, and I will get back to you.